So that means here S4, S3. Now we need to calculate the outputs if the logic is less than 9 and if the carry is not present, what happens. Okay, so I can consider here one example, that is 4 number. So 0 into 1 is nothing but 0, and next S4 into S2, that is nothing but 1 into 0, 0. Just now I explained here these two values will be 0 and the carry will be 0. So the finally output becomes 0. So 0 is nothing but these two values will be 0 and inputs will be 0. So what going to happen means here how to add this 0 values to this number means directly you can say that 0 plus anything will be whatever the value we are having, that is 0 add with something means then we'll get the something, right? So then whatever the S4, S3, S2, S1 value we are having, that directly we can say that is a final sum. Okay, so the first logic is if carry is generated, okay, carry is present or sum is greater than 9. So then we need to add 6. This is the first case, and the second case is sum is less than 9 or carry is present. This is the second logic. So carry is present means compulsory we need to add 6. This is the second logic. Now coming to the third logic. So carry is 0, that means it's not present, and sum is less than 9. Then what going to happen? What is the final sum for this 4-bit adder means just add with all zeros. That means here not present 6 value actually. Okay, so this output is not going to 6, that is equal to the actually 0. So this 0 is added with this sum. Add with this sum. So finally whatever the sum we are having at initially, that is the final sum. Okay, so this is the decimal adder. Okay, so it's very important procedure ma. So you can understand easily. If you have any doubt, just ask me. Okay na. So it's very easy process, don't confuse in that. Okay, so based on that circuit diagram you will understand all the theoretical part. Okay, based on that circuit diagram you can understand the problem statement. Okay, thank you.